Here's how to create website using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser, and after that click on the link in the description below, and then you will land on this page. Now here you need to scroll down and enter your email address. After entering your email address, then click on Get Your AI website. Then it will open up this page. Now from here you need to select your website category. I am selecting online store here. You can select other option according to your website. After that you need to find the theme that matches your profession. So here I am selecting fragrance store. After selecting it, click on continue. Now you need to personalize your website by selecting the services that you want to offer. So here I will select personalized gift sets. After selecting it, click on continue. Now you need to select the purpose of making your website. Once you have selected it, then click on continue. So here it is asking you where your business is physically based. As I have online business only, so I will select this option. Once you do that, then you need to choose the name of your business. Type the name of your business, brand or blog, and then click on continue. After that, it will ask you to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. So from here, select those aspects that you think are available in your business. Once you have selected it, then click on continue. Now from here, you need to select how would you like your website visitors to contact you. So from here I have selected website contact form. After that, click on continue. Now it will start to create your website. You need to wait for a few minutes until it is completed. So now here, as you can see, our website has been created. Scroll down and here you can see it has created a very stunning and eye-catchy website within few minutes. You can also change its logo and customize the website according to you. So this was how to create a website using AI.